Hey guys, boxbreakerboys.com coming back at you with another case break. Today we'll be opening a 6-box case of 2012 Topps Tier 1. You ready to get started, Mike?
Yes, I am.
Alright, get going. And any cards pulled today you can find on my buddy's eBay site. It's eMall 2002, so just check it out. He's got a eBay stores. All right, let's get it going. And those boxes are light.
Yeah.
Some good cards.
Yeah, only 3 cards in a box. So.
Yeah, let's see what we get here. There you go. Put that over when we set the cards on top of it. Oh, wow.
Nice.
John Neese, number 14 out of 25. Looks like a white auto. I don't know if there's not even base cards in this year.
Nope.
It's just
I think it's 2 autos and a
I wonder what should I take.
card.
Oh, I'm gonna do the last one. Last. Oh, we got a Will the Thrill Clark.
Nice.
Know you like that. My buddy's a Giants
Yeah.
fan. Turn it over, Will Thrill out of 245. And last we got it's a small jersey. I thought it was a Josh Johnson 106 out of 399. And then a piece of jersey. Well, Mike, you got one for the old PC.
Old PC. Heck yeah.
All right. I'm going box number 2. Pretty nice on-card autos.
Yeah, that patch has a pinstripe on it. That's nice.
Yeah. Hopefully you pull one of those big patches.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Oh. I don't wanna be peeking now. All right. I don't know who. I've never heard of that guy. Nathan Eovaldi, 93 out of 395. Oh my God.
See?
Man, I thought it was the Nationals.
Oh.
Yeah, guys, this is gonna be sick. We got a 1-on-1. Nice. Mike Morse. It's in gold ink and it says Beast Mode.
Nice.
I seen the Nationals, like that's Bryce Harper, man. That's a nice card. You see it up here? 1-on-1. Check for that on eBay.
Yep.
Nice gold auto 1-on-1.
It's disgusting.
Yeah, that's kind of a letdown. Cal Ripken Jr., I mean, it's just a regular piece of jersey. Still Cal Ripken Jr.
Yeah.
Man, that's sick.
That's
Inscribed 1-on-1. I swear, man, I thought it was Bryce Harper. I was like, oh my God, dude, that's going to be a $1,000 card. Look at that, man.
That's nice.
Sick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was a good hit. Oh, got an extra hit in this one.
Huh.
Got a Jamil Weeks, number 221 out of 235. And got a Elvis Andrus autograph, 197 out of 245. Okay. I got a Jason Hayward jersey, number 55 out of 399. Here's the bonus. I just got two jerseys. John Lester, 42 out of 399. Plain jersey. Alright, that was a not so good box.
Yeah, I made it.
Haven't really seen any, a lot of old players. Maybe Will Clark. Cal Ripken, I guess.
Yeah.
A couple.
Get that,
The big mantle or, yeah.
DiMaggio.
Oh, I got to get that from you.
Okay.
I got a Johnny Cueto, 127 out of 245. That's probably going to go into my PC. Who is that? It's cool. It's a green auto. Hisashi Iwakuma,
Goddamn.
90 out of 250. A green auto. That's a green auto.
Yeah.
Well, I got a dual jersey, 34 out of 50, Ryan Howard. Okay. Well, that wasn't a great box, but I got to get that Cueto from you.
All right.
Thank God it's one I can afford. It's not numbered out of 1 or anything. That's probably one of the common ones out of 245, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know what the base on all of them are.
Looks like it
Yeah, they are. They all look good. I like that on-card autos, man. That
Yeah.
was so much better. Uh-oh. Oh, man. I kind of snuck and seen the name on the end. It's one I got to get to. Dang. All right, got a Daniel Hudson, 233 out of 235. Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
I peeked. I hate when people do that, guys, but it's a Ken Griffey Jr.
Oh,
Clear rookie reprint autograph redemption. Man, that's sick.
Yeah.
God, you will get the Griffey. Got a Jacoby Ellsbury bat, 290 out of 399. God, I got to get that one from you too, Mike. Got a Devin Mesoraco, 128 out of 250, green auto. God, getting all the reds.
Wow.
Let's see what those are going for. There's the last one. Oh, we got some pretty good cards.
Yeah.
Hopefully this one pull a big old timer.
Let's hope so.
Gonna be one card in here. 12 autos. Uh-oh, got a... Oh, nice. Good one for you, man.
Uh-oh.
77 out of 235. Brandon Belt. That's cool.
Nice.
Oh, man. That's... We got a jumbo patch of 2 out of 10 silver auto Jeremy Hellickson.
Seen him when he's in AAA.
Yeah. Wow, that's a nice patch, nice auto. It's a nice card. Wow. That's a nice card.
Yeah.
And got an Ian Kinsler, 224 out of 399. Ian. All right, like I said, just check them out at my buddy's eBay site. It's eMall 2002. You'll be able to find all these cards. Well, except for the Reds and the Giants.
Yeah.
But, all right, guys, that's it. Until next time. See you.